It's just so freaking smooth, guys. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yes guys, so I'll be doing like kind of like a shift knob and stop, but not really, but the billet shift knob. Goddamn, I think it's like 90 bucks, you know what I'm saying? $89.95, you know what I'm saying? Let's see if this thing is worth 90 bucks. All right, this thing is a weighted shift knob. I believe it's like 500 G. I'm not sure, but let's see. It's time for a new shift knob though, because the stock one is kind of booty. But let's see, let's go. So they're gonna send you like a white box like this, and then they're gonna give you some stickers. You know, sticker is always the best, you know what I'm saying? And then like bam, this is like the best part, you know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, this thing is pretty like heavy, you know, compared to the stock one. Like, goddamn, man, this thing is pretty lit. And then they also come with like adapter for like your car too. So let's see if it's worth 90 bucks though. All right, so first step, what you need to do is just like turn this thing to your left, you know what I'm saying, or right. And then after that, you should get your adapter, and then like I believe you put this thing in first. And then after that, this should just go right on top like this, you know. Yeah, pretty easy, honestly. And then after that, it should be fairly easy, you know, to like just screw it in. So my first impression on what this thing coming, oh my gosh. All right, so first, this thing is like a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna have to get used to it, you know, like this thing is like a little bit smaller. This thing I have to like do this or like do this. But then the stock shift knob, you know how you see these stitches, like it'd be like scraping my finger lately, so like, you know, I needed a new shift knob, and it's kind of wearing out. I don't know if you guys can see or tell, but it still look fairly, like, it's pretty decent, but I've been getting my finger cut by these stitches. That's why, you know, I need a new like shift knob, you know what I'm saying? But this is, dude, this is, damn, my goodness. All right guys, and this thing shifts pretty smooth now, you know, like one finger only, see? Damn, this thing does make a huge difference. What the hell? Dude, it feels way better, guys. Like, I should have like modded my shift knob first. You know, this does make a big difference, guys. Weighted shift, I believe it's like 500 G, but I'll link it down below. You know, if you guys are interested, go check it out. It's not affiliated link or anything. I'm not sponsored by them, but if you guys do see this, sponsor me, guys. So I am like driving right now with the new shift knob. Dude, it shifts so freaking smooth, guys. God damn, dude, I never knew that. Like, dude, this will make a big difference, dude. Dude, this for 90 bucks, I think it's pretty worth it, you know. I don't think it's not bad, but goddamn, mate, this thing does make a huge ass difference, you know what I'm saying? So it's pretty good. 10 out of 10. I believe that the shift knob should be at least maybe 70 bucks, you know what I'm saying? But damn, dude, this shit's so smooth, guys. My goodness. Oh, Chris, dude, I can only shoot with like my pinky or something. Dude, it's just so smooth, guys. Woo! I'll link it down below if like y'all want it, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah. Anyways, guys, this is pretty lit. This is pretty lit, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's just pretty good. And like, right now I'm driving, so like, you know, gotta turn off the camera, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on another video. So dream big and inspire.